let me tell you what is virtual environment and why you require that. And after that, if you want to continue, you can continue. Otherwise, I will take that up. Okay,
Okay.
that's not an issue. So as we learn in this React as well, we have you can say this npm is there, right? With
Yes.
the help of npm, we can do the things, isn't it?
Yeah.
So same thing with means other programming language like Python as well. We
Mm.
have a pip, right?
Mm.
Which is you can say npm or package manager. With the help of that, we can able to install the package from our you can say repository.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like there is a npm JS website is there which will maintain all the packages related to this node, right?
Mm.
Same thing, we have a Python as well. We have a website with the from where we can download the packages, right?
Mm.
And as you know, means packages or dependency have a different word, right?
Mm.
And whatever you done that, right? And whatever you used package, whatever version you used, right? Maybe that version is different from a previous version or latest version, right?
Like the pack.
So, if yes, dependencies.
Okay.
If that's the case, your code will break. Am I right? Maybe whatever function you are using, or whatever things you are using in new version or previous version, maybe those things are not there.
Mm.
Understand my point?
Yeah.
And normally means in a real scenarios, we will say, hey, if let's say other teammates complain, hey, Saad, your code is not working, right?
Mm.
Then you will say, hey, you can check. Everything is working at my end. On
Mm.
my system, everything is working.
Mm.
I don't know why it's not working. Because why it's not working at your colleague and or you can say DevOps team and right?
Mm.
Because maybe they are using a different version, right?
Mm.
So to communicate this thing to the DevOps team, hey, now how you will communicate? Hey, you need to use this version, right?
Yeah.
So for that, something should be available with us. With the help of that, we can communicate to the other teams in a well manner. Hey, this is a isolated environment, and there you are blocking the thing. Hey, this version, if you will use this version, then it will work. Definitely, it will work like it's working at my end. You
Mm.
understand my point?
Mm-hmm.
So for that, you need to mention your environment.
Yes.
That's why, so that if you will mention your environment and do that, then we will create a one file, am I right?
Mm.
And it means right now, whatever we done in our project or whatever we learned, am I right? We not discuss this thing, am I right?
Mm.
Because that time we are using a global environment of our system only, am I right?
Mm. Yes.
So, and whatever dependencies available in that global, we are using those also, right?
Mm.
And if we will, you can say, do this, if something has been changed, then, but as we discussed and I explained to you, if means new version is available, am I right? And if you run a particular pip command, then it will download a this latest version of, am I right?
Mm.
But your code is working on a you can say one version down, Am I right?
Hmm.
So your code will not work if something is missing in a latest version. You
Yeah.
understand my point? For
Yes.
that, you require this environment. Okay.
Hmm.
So with this knowledge, you can, if you want to take that up, you can go through this file
Hmm.
and do the practical and things. If no, then I can share my screen and go.
Like you want to share your screen and
As you wish.
oh, no worries. Let me just go. If I face any problem, then I'll ask you.
Right. Go ahead, please.
So Python's package manager used to install update avoid without version to version mismatch. So this is one problem we usually face when we are doing like starting anything, like right, always. Even we when we started any project, we also face this problem with our laptop too.
Yes, that's why I told you. Means even though if you means you not mention your environment and that's a think of you don't have a this packet or log JSON file in your this
Mm-hmm.
React.js file.
Mm-hmm.
What is the purpose of that log file? Log file is logging your version or dependency version. You understand my point?
Yeah, yeah. You're right.
So same thing should be available here with us as well,
Mhm.
which you will learn while studying this. You will learn.
Kitchen, each project, its own kitchen. Engineering view project. Mm, install projects. Okay, so why we do this thing? Python mv.
So this is a command to create a virtual environment for your project.
So what does it do?
It will create a you can say one folder there
Hmm.
with this name, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and which have a required script thing which you will use for activate or deactivate this. So
Okay.
it's virtual environment, am I right?
Hmm.
It will dedicated create this environment for your project.
So in this virtual environment, do we store all of our codes or what do we do?
No, dependence. The code is already there in our source folder or our files, am I right? Why you
Hmm.
will store code here? Just
Then
it's for maintaining your dependencies.
okay, like the pip dependencies.
Dependence, yes. In your project, when you this like when you move forward, then you will use Django. I mean, Django is nothing; it's a library only. Am I right?
Okay.
Or dependency only.
Hmm.
Or maybe you require more dependency for authorization, or maybe you require some dependencies for your as validation. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. So activate. Mm. So after creating the environment, we need to activate.
Yes.
Okay. So pip install requests, pip install Django. Uh, so this is installing the one
Specific version. Specific
specific
version.
version for a Django, right?
Yes.
Okay. Upgrade requests. Pip on pip list. Check. Mhm.
Do one thing.
Mhm.
Uh, go to your this create a new project inside this only in a practical folder. Just create a new project. Environment,
Project dot
environment, environment,
environment
environment test.
test dot py
No, without this, why we need to create a one folder here. Folder.
folder. Oh my bad.
Yes.
And then
Then here you need to do one thing. Open, right click and inspect. Open in an integrated terminal.
uh,
Here you need to run those commands. Here you will create one file, index.py or main.py, whatever name you want, main.py.
and then
Then here you will run those commands. Python, this hyphen m,
oh,
Python 3, because I think in your case Python 3 will work.
yeah, Python 3 uh,
Space hyphen m,
space hyphen m, then
space venv.
v venv. Okay, so
It will create one folder for you. Am I
yeah,
right?
yeah. So what are
Yes.
these
These
dependent?
are, yes, it will contain the required things like activation. For activation, it required that file.
Hmm,
Okay, so just run these commands like for this Mac or Linux. This is a win and activate.
hmm.
No, you don't need to use this source. No.
Why?
Okay, yes, you are good there. It's created now. You are able to see now in front of your project. You are able to see V and V
Where?
on a terminal.
Yeah,
On terminal.
yeah, yeah.
So means it's running on its own environment. Am I right?
Okay.
So go ahead and try other commands like
Hmm.
deactivate. Retry deactivate as well and try activate again.
Deactivate. Yeah.
Okay, now try this activate. No, 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 no.
So,
For activate, you need to do that. Python 3 hyphen m
Python. Mm,
activate. Source, you need to run that source command. Source
oh,
command.
okay. Okay.
Go up in a file itself.
Mm, this one, right?
Yes, this.
Mm.
Okay, any question or concern regarding this activate, deactivate?
No, all good.
Yeah.
So pip install requests. What
It
did you?
downloading the dependency for you.
Hmm. Where is it now? Over here?
Yes, libraries. Check in a libraries.
Library.
Open this. Open this. Check
Library.
libraries. Yes.
So these are the ones we just fetched right now.
Yes, request. You are able to see requests. Request folder is there. Am I right?
Where?
In that
Oh yeah.
zip.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So it's downloading the things for us. Like
So
similar to node modules.
okay. So right now we are in the environment. We are in the this thing venue, and we are installing the requirements over here.
Yes.
Okay.
Now install other things and you are able to see this library, whatever you are using, it will, you can see, you are able to see all those there. Now you can check Django and Django this folder correct on top, go up. Next A means you can say it's in a order.
Mm, Django.
D
Oh,
go up
here
like
it is.
this. Yes,
So all the dependencies of Django is all also created, right?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, now this you can use this upgrade as well.
Yeah.
And now you will, if you run this, pip list, you are able to see this thing. Pip list.
So these are the things we have: Django.
Yeah. Yes.
Pip. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And you can try other command like uninstall as well. If you want to remove
Mm-hmm.
the dependency from your this, then go for that. Pip uninstall and your dependency.
Hmm. Can you just give me 1 minute? I'm just gonna be back.
Okay, okay, take your time.
Yep. Back. So, so these are the things that have been installed in the environment, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Now just uninstall something and you check this list again.
Pip
Keep this list again, just uninstall a request only.
uninstall
So
request.
request.
Yes, and then pip list. Same thing.
Now, no, request is not there now. Check, compare both the output. Request earlier request is there, now
Oh
it's
yeah,
request
request
now.
is yeah. Right now, this that one is gone, right?
Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
So now here you are able to see means these versions are there. Am I right? As I told you, how you will communicate with other teammates, how you will say make sure whatever is working at your end and whatever means whatever they are installing in a pipeline. Am
Hmm.
I right?
Mm-hmm.
Above team, they are doing the same thing or they are installing the same version. For that, we require some file. Am I right?
Yes.
So for that, this is a way to do that. Pick freeze. It will generate this file for you.
Hmm.
Go ahead and run that command. Generate command.
Which one? Pip.
No, pick freeze command is there in line this session number 8 requirement file. Very important.
Dot txt. So what does it do?
It will create.
Okay.
It will create a file. Now open that file. Now we are able to see all the dependencies are there.
So like these are the ones. It's over there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So when you push your code, then you will push this file as well. Am I right?
So that people will
And
know what
yes,
are things are needed to run that program, right?
yes. And when they run, they will run this way.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. It's interesting.
But what you need to do now, let's do one thing.
Hmm.
We do one thing. You need to do right. Okay. This is the one thing. Install this. Now just remove this VM folder and practice this again. And then you will know means what is the beauty of this means.
Hmm.
And if you will run this command again, pip install or first uninstall the thing like Django as well.
Okay.
Pip uninstall Django. Okay. Now
Hmm.
check your this file, requirement.txt file.
Django is there.
Django is there, means now run that freeze command again.
Okay. Oh, it changed.
Okay.
Just because Django is not there, it doesn't need this thing, right?
Means freeze if something has been changed. I mean, right, and
Yeah.
you manually uninstall with the help of pip uninstall or
Hmm.
do that, then you need to do this command again. Freeze.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
And now just do one thing. Remove this environment thing. Remove this project and create this project again. Am I right?
Yeah.
And now means we will create a environment and create your first project of Django, which is a next topic.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
and you will follow that file and do this by your own. You understand my plan?
Okay.
But I want you will do this practice or you learn today by your own first. And
Hmm.
after that, if you are good there and you are able to install, uninstall the things,
Hmm.
then we're able to move on next chapter, right?
Yes.
Because in next chapter we need to create a Django project itself.
Hmm.
So you already learn how to install these dependencies.
Yeah.
You're good there. And for doing moving ahead, please go to Chrome and check. You can say this. I need to install Django. Mm, or you can say latest version of Django. Latest version of Django. Version of Django, yes. So here you are able to see we have go down, 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 down. This Django is fine. Go down. Okay. Means here you will find Python. Python. Py, here is a you are able to see this. Pi second link. Yes. Click on that. So this is a your website with where you can find all the packages related to Python.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
So here you can find out the all the things. What is the current version and what is the source code? What is the Git repo and how many? You can say you can get everything there.
Hmm.
You can search here. You can say like request on a search on top. Go ahead on a top and in a search bar type request. Okay,
Hmm.
and you can find other as well like panda or pandas. So this is a good source for you to learn the things
Hmm.
related to Python. Right, fast API is also there. Check the fast API or fast, fast. Okay, you can develop the API with the help of this as well. Fast is there, this is there, Django is there, one more is also there. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a website. Okay, if you think you are good with this command, then go ahead with the next topic. Here we will create a new project of Django.
So, virtual scraping.
No. There is a Django folder is there. You need to check that.
Where?
Uh, go up, go up, go up. D, D. Yes, yes. Go up, up.
Django.
Yes, yes. Basics, basics. To open that setup instruction.
This
Please
one?
check this. Yes, check this file. So Django is a framework. With the help of that, we can develop our application, right?
Hmm.
And with this framework, you can develop application for your web applications, uh, and you can write a code for this front end as well and back end as well. Okay.
Hmm.
So here you are able to see we are with the help of that creating a dashboard, admin dashboard is easy. Okay.
Yes. Hmm.
So and whatever you learn routing, I think those things are also application applicable in Django as well.
Hmm.
Right. So just going through this file and after that we will do that. Do the practical of this, whatever mentioned in this file.
So we are starting Django then, right? Backend.
Yes, we started for today.
Okay.
This is our, you can say, first class or Django.
Okay.
Because if you are good with the whatever we discussed together,
Hmm. Django is a high level Python. Mm. Is it possible, like from here, you take the class and
why not?
yeah.
We are able to see my screen.
Let me just stop presenting. Just give me one sec. How do I pause my presentation?
Click on this stop sharing.
Where? Stop sharing.
The-
Just
Go down. There is a with camera option. There is
hmm.
a sharing link. Just click on that and you will find that stop sharing.
Stop sharing. Yeah. Yeah. I'm good.
Okay. Hope you are able to see my screen.
Yeah.
So here means there is a framework. Framework is nothing means in this in any framework they have means to do the things easy for us. Am I right?
Hmm.
But to utilize those things, we need to know the term and condition or meaning of the things there. You
Yes.
understand my point?
Hmm.
Like earlier, we worked on a library. RegJS is a library, it's not a framework. Right.
Hmm.
So there is a difference between framework and library. So library will give the things to you. You can say you can use in your own way. Am I right?
Yes.
But means the framework give you a you can say protocol which you need to follow to do something with your framework. Am I right?
Hmm.
And so under the hood they have a lot of they will do lot of things for you. Okay.
Hmm.
So same thing because in our curriculum we will discuss the Django. So everything it will give you everything whatever you require to develop your application. small application to big application quickly and securely. Understand my point?
Hmm.
So what the guy did, whatever problems are there, they consider all the problem and make a framework. Am I right?
Hmm.
So that rather than focusing on those problems, you can just focus on a main thing, whatever you require to build your application.
Hmm.
Understand my point? So earlier, there's the problems are there, writing backend from scratch. So then you need to this build in architecture. This architecture is already there. Understand my point?
Yes.
So means let's say for a better architecture, separation of concern is there, or a dry concept is there. You don't repeat yourself, or single responsibility, solid principle should be there. Am I right?
Hmm.
So they means in a Django that architecture is already there. Am I right?
Hmm.
Without that, you cannot write a code. So if you will do something, then you need to do that. You understand my point?
Okay.
And you can say your SQL injection is you can say nothing. Yes, so you can say let's say you need to write some queries to fetch the data from your database, right? And for that, let's say if someone means modify means you will take the input from the user, isn't it?
Hmm.
From in the form or from API means you require some input, am I right?
Okay.
If user means rather than providing a input, they will send some command, SQL command, am I right?
Yes.
And those are you can say if your system is not secure, then they can get the information of your database. That's called SQL injection.
Hmm.
Okay. And for and another is this another security this CSRF. Am I right?
What is that?
So here's you can say pro site request forgery. Am I
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
So what it means? Let's say uh, you are using your banking site. Am I right?
Hmm.
And there you to authorize or to authenticate you and authorize, they will save something for your information already. Am I right?
Yeah.
They can use. So they can utilize this. Means hacker can utilize this, and at the place of you can say when you click on the, they will send a email or they will send a SMS to you with some links. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And when you use that link, they will open your this account or banking detail, and they are requesting for money. Am I right?
Hmm.
When you click the that thing, they will you can say they will detect withdraw some money from your account
Hmm.
with the help of this cross site request forgery. Okay,
Hmm.
so it's already addressing this thing in its own Django.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
and because in your most of the application we require this frame or admin panel should be there. Am I right?
Hmm.
So it will create an admin panel for you. Okay.
Admin panel.
Yes, admin panel. Let's say you are running your own shop for the clothing. Am I right?
Hmm.
And in a clothing, we require means if something means we require categories. We require you can say under categories we require product. Am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So for that we require admin panel. With the help of that, we can change or add, or you can say remove or maintain the add more new product as well. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's a thing.
Yes.
Okay. So and it's used by, you can say, companies like Instagram, Mozilla, which are the, you can say, renowned names. Am I right? They are
Mm-hmm.
using it. So for this, if let's say you want to this, you want to do something, am I right? Or if you for to, let's say, may and you want to make a your house, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
For that to make your house, you require, you can say, lot of things, am I right? You require, you can say this. Initially, you require some raw material like cement, bricks, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So for that, then you are able to do that. So same thing, whatever you require. So like in this normal life, let's say think of restaurant system. So in a restaurant, you have a, you can say this customer order, we have a request. Am I right? Like if customer is ordering in Django term, we'll say it's requesting. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And there's a in between, like, hey, this is request for North Indian and this is request for South Indian or Chinese. So it's forwarded by waiter. Waiter will is a, you can say, middleman between customer and your this kitchen. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And here chef is there, which will take a order and prepare the dish. Am I right? So
Yes.
same thing means chef is business logic, which we need to write in our views. Am I right? Where we will handle our input. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And the database is a storage like kitchen store, from where we will do that. Get the, you can say, detail. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And your Minos is a template. With the help of that, you can navigate. Hey, I need to do, you can say, think of, you have a stores, different stores. Am I right? You can go there.
So, like, in the restaurant system, the things which you are mentioning for Django, is it something kind of a page which is gonna store all the data, all the things, all the admin, something like that?
Yes, when we move forward and do the practical, then you will see.
Okay.
In a practical, they will create the things for us, basic.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
And means, as we discussed earlier, means just come up with the inbuilt, you can say, architecture. Am I
mm,
right?
mhm.
The architecture is this model view template. There are
Okay.
different architectures are there. MVVM is there. MVP is there. Am I right?
Mm,
Model view presenter. MVVM is model view view model. Am I right?
mm,
And MVC is there. Model view controller. Now it's a model view template. Am I right?
mm.
So the purpose of this architecture is to separate the responsibility.
Okay.
You understand my point?
Mhm,
To separate the responsibilities. So for that, like here you have this database structure, business logic. So here you can say these are the different layers. Am I right?
mm,
And we are giving each and every layer have their own responsibility and own purpose for their existence. Am I
mm,
right?
mhm,
If let's say I will say, hey Sat, you need to take care everything. Am I right?
mm.
Then I think so you are not able to do that. But
Yeah.
if I will, okay, if I will say, hey Sat, you need to take care of, you can say, development testing, and you can say client coordination as well. Okay.
Mhm, mm.
So what do you think? Are you able to handle all these things or not?
No.
Maybe you are able to handle, but if let's say all things are there at the same time, am I
Mm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you are only one person, am I right?
Yes.
And if something happened wrong in a UI or a development side, then if single person is doing that, then he can say, "Hey, I'm not responsible because that time I'm working on another thing. How can I play a role,
Mm.
multiple role at the same time?" Am I right?
Yep. Yep.
So for that, this should be separate. Am I right?
Mm.
If something went wrong on a front end side, then we will talk with that person only. Hey, this is your mistake.
Yeah.
Am I right? And if something went wrong on a, you can, that's why these things are there. Okay.
Mm.
So to install this, these are the things which you will learn today. As I told you, this is a simple thing which we can do. We are repeating these steps here. Am I right? This is
Yes.
also you done, and you can after check this. What is the version there for this admin?
Mm.
And after that, this is a way to create a new project. Okay,
Mm.
and this is a way to run your project.
Just one question.
Yes.
Before, like with the React, we we were using the command npm run dev, right? Where this some kind of a link used to show up, and we used to like all the things were connected over there, and when we could see everything. But right now you are again saying to run this server and this thing. So like, what's the?
Because both are different. It's a React. React is for front end, am I right?
Yes.
And here, this is a full, give you a full flash things to you.
Mm,
Am I right?
mm,
It will give you a UI as well, right?
mm,
And it will give you a backend as well. Means, you can think of mole. It's a mole, am I right?
mm.
Where you will get whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say if you are interested in our API only, then you can develop a API as well.
Mm,
If you require full flash, then you can go with the full flash. That's why we have a full stack integration there with us,
mm.
connecting React with the Django API. Am I right? This access fetch integration, source configuration. So which we will discuss. Means whatever API we will create here, how you can consume. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a way to do that. Now I want you will do this things by your own. If you want to do by your own right now, if you want to do right now, we have a time. You can utilize this time. Otherwise, if you want to do later, it's totally up.
Okay.
But these are the important things. I want you will do the practice now itself. You can share your screen.
Sure. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Remove that environment. Environment one, remove that. Remove environment and do the things from scratch.
Okay. So, okay, so let's start from Django.
I think so. You know this thing very well. So just do by your own. Don't use this file. Try to do by your own.
Okay.
Like basic command, you can check this new file command, but environment, how to set an environment, how to install a Django, you already know. I mean, like how to activate deactivate.
Yes.
So I want
Let's,
if
yeah. So first, let's create a folder, right?
Yes.
Create a folder, let's say environment. Okay. Mm, and then open in an interior environment. Pip install. Mm, no, not this. What was the command for pip install? Mm,
You can check that file. That's not an issue. Python environment.
mm, like this.
Go down, go down. You need to install from
Sorry.
your file.
Yeah.
Then go down, go down, go down. Go down, go down, go down. Hold on. This is a way.
Mm.
Pip install -r, and then you can use your file.
Pip install requests, right?
Yes.
Mm, Python 3 hyphen venv. Okay. Install requests. Mm, maybe I'm missing this thing. Environment. In- Okay. Yes, now I have installed. Mm, yes. What was that command? Requirements. Okay, so these are the things I have installed.
Okay. If you install, then you need to, you can say, check the version of this Django admin. You check the, you can say, new this file and run that command.
Which command?
Django file. Check the Django file.
This one.
No, 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 no. Theory file.
Theory. Okay.
Yes. Yes. This first setup one. Open that setup. No, no, no. Open that setup. This. Open this file and check the command which are new for you. Just run
Okay.
those commands.
Pip install Django. Check version, right? Django.
Django admin version, hyphen admin version.
So six. This is the version.
Yes. Now you need to create a project.
Okay. Django admin.
You can give any name. So to your, now go to your project first
Mm,
and run.
mm,
What is saying?
you have 18 unapplied migrations. Until you apply the migrations for the admin.
This is a warning, but you are able to see you have this URL. Copy this URL. Yes.
It's running, right?
Okay. Yes, it's running.
So, so what's happening over here?
This here you can say run project, which will do the thing. Okay, understand this and do the modification there.
Hmm.
Okay, but here this is structure, and if you open that project and check these files are already created for you. Okay,
Hmm. Let me check my project. Hmm. Yes, these are already created.
yes. So in the next lecture we will discuss the structure of this.
Hmm.
Okay, let me stop the recording first.